Welcome to Chapter 2, NPV calculation. If you have a paper textbook, this is on page 56 of your book, problem number 3. So, problem 3, not problem 7. That's the next one I'm going to do. Right. In this particular case, I'm going to show you how to use the NPV function within Excel. So the first thing you need to do is go equals NPV left bracket. And the first thing that you have is the rate. So if you select this, the rate is in cell, in this case, D6 at 20%. The value that you have, and you pick the years, don't pick the initial investment, is D8 to 12. So these are the cash inflows for year 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Excel assumes that the first cash number is 1 year from now. And if you pick the initial investment, it'll actually say the initial investment of 50,000 is not at time 0, but it is in 1 year from now. And all year 1 will be year 2, etc. So they'll all be off by year. So you go, okay. Now, what you also need to do is add, in this case, the initial investment, because we haven't factored that in. But there's no time value of money with that because it's at time 0. And then you get the correct answer. So that's how you calculate net present value using the NPV function within Excel. You put the rate in the formula palette. All right. All right. You have the rate, then you have the values. The thing that you have to be careful with, or at least I always have to remind myself, is I don't just select all the cash flows. I only start with the cash inflows from years 1 through whenever it ends, in this case, year 5. And then I have to add the initial investment, but the initial investment is negative. So I'm adding a negative, or I'm subtracting, however you want to word it. And you'll get the correct answer. So hopefully you found that useful.